Let's talk Azure Web App Access Control, IAM. Azure Web App Access Control, IAM, in Azure Portal is a powerful feature that allows you to manage access to your Azure Web App resources. It provides a centralized way to control who can perform specific actions on your web app and helps you ensure the security and compliance of your application. The main features of Azure Web App Access Control, IAM, include 1. Role-Based Access Control, RBAC. BAC allows you to assign specific roles to users or groups, granting them different levels of access to your web app resources. Roles can be customized to fit your specific needs, such as owner, contributor, or reader. By assigning roles, you can control who can deploy, manage, or monitor your web app. 2. Azure Active Directory Integration. Azure Web App Access Control integrates seamlessly with Azure Active Directory, AAD, allowing you to manage access to your web app using AAD users and groups. This integration simplifies user management and provides a single source of truth for access control. 3. Fine-grained access control. With IAM, you can define fine-grained access control policies for your web app resources. This means you can specify which users or groups have access to specific actions or resources within your web app. For example, you can grant a specific user the ability to modify the application settings or access the deployment slots, while restricting their access to other sensitive resources. 4. Access Reviews. IAM allows you to periodically review and validate the access permissions assigned to users or groups. This helps you ensure that only the necessary access is granted and reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Access reviews can be scheduled and notifications can be sent to reviewers to streamline the process. To make use of Azure Web App Access Control, IAM, in the Azure portal, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Azure portal and open your web app resource. 2. In the left-hand menu, click on Access Control, IAM. 3. Here, you can manage roles, assign users or groups, and define access policies. 4. To assign a role, click on Add and select the desired role from the list. 5. Specify the user or group to whom you want to assign the role. 6. Customize the access permissions if needed, and click on Save to apply the changes. By leveraging IAM, you can assign specific roles to users or groups, granting them different levels of access to your web app resources. Integrate with Azure Active Directory for simplified user management and centralized access control. Define fine-grained access control policies to restrict access to specific actions or resources within your web app. Conduct access reviews to periodically validate and adjust access permissions. In summary, Azure Web App Access Control, IAM, in the Azure portal provides role-based access control, Azure Active Directory integration, fine-grained access control, and access reviews. It allows you to manage access to your web app resources, ensuring security and compliance. Thanks for watching.